Welcome to Software Sensei. Today, let's talk about website maintenance costs in South Africa. Maintaining your website is crucial for keeping your online presence secure and performing at its best. This investment is essential in the growing digital economy of South Africa. Website maintenance involves regular updates, security checks, content updates, and technical support. These services ensure your site runs smoothly and is protected from cyber threats. The costs can vary based on the complexity of your website and the frequency of updates needed. For instance, basic maintenance plans start around 499 Rand per month, covering manual updates and monitoring. Standard plans at 999 Rand per month include automated updates and security checks. For more comprehensive support, business plans can cost up to 2,499 Rand per month, offering device optimization, security scans, and error repairs. Choosing the right maintenance plan depends on your business needs and budget. It's important to understand the different packages available and select one that ensures your website remains up-to-date and secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Software Sensei for more insightful videos. See you next time.